The handle set is your drill's rear support handle. It allows for a two-hand grip for better support of the tool. The handle can be damaged if the drill is dropped or if something falls on it. Replacing the handle set is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old handle from the drill. Now I can install the new handle. I'll align the handle with the pivot on the rear of the tool. Then I'll install the other side and secure the two halves with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the handle on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.